Hey guys, this is Tim, and today I'm going to be cleaning my cedar swing. As you can see, I've neglected it over the past couple of years by not keeping it covered up, so it has a lot of black mildew and so forth on it. I'm going to be using three primary products today. I'm going to be using a Brite Teak cleaner as the first one. It'll remove a lot of the dark spots and kind of restore it back to its original color. And then step two will be a Teak Brightener, and as you can see, it'll kind of change it a little bit from that barn color to a brighter wood color. And then lastly, and the most important thing, is step three, using the teak oil. And that teak oil will just add a protective coat and hydrate the wood, so rainwater and elements will kind of repel off of the wood and protect it. So step one is adding the cleaner, and the instructions say to add it to dry surfaces. And then you may use a scrub pad, so I'm using a little scrub brush as I add that on. And then after that's added and sits for a couple of minutes or so, just pressure wash or rinse that off thoroughly. Okay, after using the pre-cleaner and pressure washer and letting it dry, you can see that it didn't completely get off all the black that's been on there for some time. Unfortunately, I've neglected it over the last couple of years and left it uncovered. So instead of repeating that process, I'm going to instead lightly sand the wood along the wood grain. Okay, as you can see, the sanding got a lot of black dark spots off of the cedar, and I blew that off. So now we're ready to add step two, the Teak Brightener product. And it says gloves are recommended, but you just put it on, let it set for 1 or 2 minutes, and then you rinse it off. So let's go ahead and do that. So as you can see, adding the step 2 of the Brightener to the cedar swing has improved the looks of the swing. And the next step 3 is adding the Teak oil, and it's got to be a dry surface, so we're going to allow a few more minutes for the swing to dry after rinsing it off, and then we'll apply the Teak oil. Okay, now we're going to do step 3 and add in the Teak oil to the swing, and we'll wipe it on with a towel or a rag, and then wipe off any excess oil. Then it says to repeat it as necessary if the wood is very porous. So we'll apply 1 coat and then see how it looks. Wow, what a transformation it is from what it looked like before. You still have a few dark spots in the swing, but not as bad, but 10 times better than how it looked before. So in all, I'm very pleased with these Brite products. You could buy these individually or as a set like I did on Amazon. I did use the whole bottle of the cleaner, a half a bottle of the Brightener, and then as you can see, I used about a quarter of the Teak oil, and I did go back and apply just a light second coat on that. I think the Teak oil made a huge difference in the swing, and it provides a good protective coat from rain and weather. And I think if you apply this on it once or twice a year, I think it'll keep your swing in very good condition. So I highly recommend those Brite products. So again, as you can see, this is a huge transformation, how the swing looked before. So if you like this video, be sure and give me the thumbs up. If you're not a current subscriber, please subscribe to my channel. So have a great day.